Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert an Microsoft Publisher document to PDF without losing formatting. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show convert Publisher document. Now PDF without losing. Now going to the file menu option. Now for click, then click for a save as, then click for a browse option. Now select for save as type, then click for a PDF option. Now first select for a file name. Now select from a location the save, then click for a save option. Now we show the file. Now going to the desktop file menu option, home menu option, then we open the PDF file. Now for open, that it's. Now you can see convert an publisher document to PDF without losing formatting is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.